Started with a vision, started with a spark, lighting up the way when the road was dark. They told us to settle, told us to wait, but we're the masters of our own fate. Every stumble was a lesson learned, every victory was something earned. Now we see the summit, now we see the light. We're taking over, burning bright. No more looking down, no more looking back. We are on the move, we are on the track. Together we are strong, together we are bold, turning all our stories into solid gold. Rise up, reaching for the sky, we never get enough. Rise up, join Darren Smith's club. Rise up, when the road is hard and the journey gets tough. Rise up, join Darren Smith's club. Building an empire stone by stone. You don't have to do it on your own. We live.
Isang bagay lang yung naintindihan ko kung ba't po ako nag-decide na sumali. Naintindihan ko po na kailangan mong bigyan ng tsansa yung sarili mo, lalo na kung paulit-ulit lang yung nangyayari sa buhay.
Dream is in our hands, the future is now. We're making a promise, we're making a vow. No more looking down, no more.
Pinagdasal ko din talaga dati nung panahon na nasa abroad pa ako, na makahanap ako ng magandang opportunity, na makatulong sa sarili ko, sa pamilya ko, at makatulong din po talaga ako sa maraming tao.
Rise up, reaching for the sky, we never get enough. Rise up, join Darren Smith's club. Rise up, when the road is hard and the journey gets tough. Rise up, join Darren Smith's club.
Lahat ng bagay, kung anong yaman mo, anong talino mo, anong wisdom mo na meron ka, kung bakit ka meron yan, may nagbigay sa'yo.
I've been knocked down more times than I can count. Sleepless nights, heavy doubts, running out. Empty pockets.
At samahan mo ang DBC mga kapatid dahil dito ma-experience o mararanasan nyo yung mga bagay na hindi natin nararanasan ng mga talagang kumikita ng malaki.
I carry names on.
Andito na tayo sa business. Fokusan na natin to. Huwag tayong mag-give up, no? Maraming opportunities ngayon.
Every prayer I spoke
Focus pa rin ako sa DBC, di ba? Focus pa rin ako sa negosyo natin.
feels cold and the road gets rough. I look in their eyes, that's a reason enough. Diamonds rise up, that's why diamonds always shine. Diamonds rise up, every storm just makes us bright. Diamonds rise up, from the
Pwede ko bang marinig ang ingay ng mga taong payaman?
we rise up.
Isa na po ako sa nabigyan chance na tulungan ng Diamonds Business Club.
I've tasted fear.
Andito ako sa Diamond Business Club dahil sa gusto ko matupad ang aking pangarap.
Every failure taught me how to stand. Every set.
Na nagugustuhan ko dahil nakikita ko marami na akong mga awards na nakukuha dito, mga oportunidad.
I'm not chasing fame, I'm chasing peace. A better life, more time, more ease. I want a table where we all can eat, and a future where our faith runs deep. When my knees get weak and hope feels far, I remember who I'm doing this for.
Happy 3rd anniversary!
Rise up, diamonds rise up, under pressure, still we rise up, diamonds rise up.
Dito po sa business natin, I'm part of the international top earner din ng ating kumpanya.
Rise up, diamonds always shine.
Lahat tayo may gustong marating sa buhay, and yan yung isa sa motivation natin bakit andito tayo sa business.
Diamonds always shine, built by pressure. That's why we
pwede kang kumita, andito ang pera basta nasa tamang opportunity ka. Palakpakan naman natin yan. Lahat tayo kumakayod para makuha natin yung magandang buhay. Di ba? Para magkaroon ng magandang buhay at para maibigay yung magandang buhay sa pamilya natin.
If I fall, I'll stand again. This road ends with victory, not the end. I'll rise up, hear my
Lahat ng bagay, nangyayari po yan, may purpose yun. Good or bad, pero alam niyo po kung ano yung treasure, ano yung hindi po mababayaran ng pera, yung magkaroon ka ng oras na hawak mo. No? And syempre, yung family.
solid ground.